Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can add products to your Shopify account. And obviously, guys, you need to select the right product to make sure that you can actually scale your business and become financially independent. And it's for that reason we have brought this absolutely brilliant video for you. So stick around till then to find out how you can add amazing products to your Shopify account. And the first thing we need to do is understand what is Shopify. Shopify is a global commerce platform where you can build your business. You can sell online, offline, and everywhere in between, and discover the reason why millions of entrepreneurs have chosen Shopify to build their business. And that literally gives us an opportunity, a chance to understand the different strategies that these amazing successful entrepreneurs have used and obviously scale their business and broken away from the 9-to-5, and so could you. With millions of merchants worldwide in 170 countries being represented and a 10% of the total US e-commerce business being done in $444 billion of the global economic activity, you can get a piece of this cake as well. And you can build the store that you want and bring your vision to life with their simple drag and drop store creator. There's no coding expertise required, just your next big idea. You can select from customizable templates that are created by a community of world-class designers. And more than that, guys, you also have more features and functionalities that you can add to your online store with the apps that are being built by trusted Shopify developers. You can sell to every buyer everywhere, guys, and more than that, you can back your business with a Shop Pay, the one-click checkout that's built to convert. And more than that, a point-of-sale system that allows customer to shop their way from online to the checkout line. And better than that, you can find shoppers with the SEO, social media, and content marketing tools that help you reach customers where they are and build custom email campaigns, set automation to serve every segment, and connect with customers on the go with the integrated messaging tool. So take control of your customer data to build customer audiences and explore the customer insights that drive ongoing growth. And more than that, you can oversee your operations, fulfill every orders, and manage your money where you make it. Now, if you don't have a Shopify account, guys, don't worry. All you need to do is click in the description below on the link and get Shopify. If you don't want to do that, you can always click on start the free trial and head over to setting up your account. Now, the first thing that you need to do is actually answer a couple of questions of what best describes you. Are you just starting off or already selling in person? We're going to go with the fact that we're just starting off. After selecting that, you can go and check where you want to sell. Is it an online store, an existing website or a blog, social media, online marketplace, or in person? We're going to go with an online store. After doing that, what do you plan on selling? We plan on selling dropshipping products. You can sell products that you made yourself. You can sell digital products, services, or print-on-demand products. We're going to go with dropshipping. Now comes the most important thing. You need to select the name. Now, I always select the name that's unique, and obviously after selecting it, just press next. Then you have to say where your business is going to be located. After selecting that, the last element that comes is actually creating a Shopify ID. Now you can continue with your Google ID, with your Facebook ID, with your Apple ID, or with your email. I always use Google, and the reason why I always use Google is because that Google is very simple and easy to use, and I can easily set up my account with my Gmail. So I'm going to select the Gmail account that I want to use to link my Shopify to. Once I do that, everything is going to fall into place because it's quite simple and straightforward to use. Once you sign in, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. On the left hand side, you're going to have your home, your orders, your products, your customers, your content, analytics, marketing, discounts, your online store, and your point of sale. Now, guys, the big question comes in. What you need to do next is very important. You'll see this option over here called apps. Once you click on it, you can see the recommended apps and the app sales and channel settings. Now, what we're going to do is look at the recommended apps. Now, the app that I'm going to introduce you to today is quite interesting, and the reason why I'm going to introduce you to it is because I personally feel that this is one of those apps that every single dropshipper needs to have. It's called DSers. Now, DSers is a very interesting AliExpress dropshipping apps. I have already downloaded this and integrated it with my Shopify account, so I'm going to show you exactly how it works and what you need to do. But before we do that, there's certain elements that we need to talk about, and obviously I want to clarify clarify these before we head over to exactly understanding how we can use DSER's AliExpress dropshipping and how this app is going to help us. Now, the thing that you need to do is actually understand that you need to select a particular niche and select a particular product that is definitely going to make you a lot of money. Now, in order to do that, you need to do research, and this is what you need to do. The first thing that you should do is head over to ebay.com. Now, as you head over to ebay.com, you'll see all these different elements on the top over here that are being sold. So, for example, if you have a lot of traffic from the US, if you have traffic from the UK, if you have the traffic from Australia or the Middle East, you need to understand what product you want to sell, at what price range you need to sell it. So we're going to go, for example, for a phone case. Now, as we search for phone cases, you will see something quite interesting, guys, and something that's really going to stand out is the fact that you have all these amazing phone cases that are available for $3, $7, $8, and you can actually make a lot of profit on it. But the question comes is, how much profit can you make? And this is what you need to do. Head over to the Sellers Hub on eBay and then click on research. As you do that, what happens is that you'll be taken to the next page where you can search for phone cases. As we search for phone cases, we'll see how much profit phone cases have been making for individuals in the last 2 years. And this is going to give us a complete breakdown and understanding that is this a profitable product to sell or not. As you can see, the actual selling price is $10.51, an average shipping of $4.61, free shipping 92%, 3.5 million have been sold. There's 68,000 sellers and a sales of $37 million of this one product. You can clearly see that this is being sold every single day at an average selling price of $10 to $11. If you scroll down, you can see this individual just off one product has made $399,000. This individual has made $141,000, $116,000, $102,000, $54,000, $60,000. And guys, this is off just one product. So how do they make this profit? This is what you need to do. Head over to AliExpress. Now, once we head over to AliExpress, we're going to search for the same element, which is a phone case. Now, as we search for phone cases, what happens is that we'll be able to find phone cases which are going to be significantly cheaper. For 49 cents, 50,000 have been sold, and they buy it from here and they sell it here and they make $100,000 profit on these amazing products, and so could you. So what you need to do is head over to your Shopify account. Now, once you head over to Shopify account, all you need to do is open the app. Once you've downloaded it, just click on open app, and as you click on open app, you'll be taken directly to DSeller's AliExpress, which is going to look like this. Now, as you reach over here, you'll see on the top where it says keywords or search. So we're going to search for phone cases. Now, as we search for phone cases, we're going to get the same results that we got when we were searching for phone cases on AliExpress. Now, this is the unique thing, guys, that I really want to highlight to you guys, is to make sure that you select a product that really stands out, that can give you that kind of benefit. So as you clearly see, we are getting these amazing products in front of us, which are dead cheap, that we can easily sell. So this is a 99 cent. This is a $2, $1, $4, $34. These are available right now that we can use. So for example, if you want to use this particular product, this is available for $1.38. Now, if you like the product, what you need to do is quite simple and straightforward. As you can see, you have the price over here with the shipping and everything included. So let's head back over here and click on add to import list. Now, once we click on the add to import list, you'll see the import list actually get updated over here. So let's go ahead and click on the import list. And once we do that, we'll see the product is available. This is the product that we wanted. So let's click on this product and let's push it to Shopify. Now you need to select where and what account you want to push it to. So we're going to push it to our account, which is this one over here, and click to Shopify. Now, as we click on push to Shopify, this product is going to be pushed to our Shopify account. And that means we can sell it on Shopify. Now, whenever someone wants to buy it, they'll come and buy the product, and the product is going to be shipped directly to them, making us a healthy profit. Now, guys, if you got any questions whatsoever, you can always ask them in the comment section down below. And these are the steps that you can use for multiple products and develop and create an empire for yourself in the dropshipping niche. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and families and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.